Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today I'll be showing how to raise XP. So let's get started. First you have to go here in core and select domination, kill confirmed and hardpoint. So these are the main modes in which you can gain XP. So let's get started. Okay, so first you have to go to the hostiles domination ring flag. So I'm going here. Okay, and you have to you have to kill more enemies so that you can gain more XP. So you have to be here till then it loads. Okay, so if I do this, I get 200 XP. So you have to do that and try to kill more enemies so that you can get more XP. And you can equip the perk hardline, so you get more 25% of XP. And keep in mind that you have to clean up and capture all the flags. So I am capturing A here. Okay, we captured Alpha here. Okay, so like this you have to do and try to use more operator skills so you get more additional 25% of XP. Okay, so the second thing you have to do is play hardpoint, because if you capture the hardpoint first, you get additional 100 XP, and if you kill in the hardpoint or from the hardpoint, you get additional 50% of the XP. Okay, so if I kill this guy, instead of 100 I get 156. Okay, so the next hardpoint is here. I got plus 100 hardpoint scored, and if you stay in the hardpoint for a long time, you will get more XP. You have to be in the hardpoint, so you get more seconds, like plus 25 for hardpoint zone. And if you kill from the hardpoint, you get 156 XP once more. So this is one more way that you can gain XP. One more way, and you can kill these guys and gain 156 XP. Okay, so the next thing we are doing is kill confirm. So there will be dogtails. If you kill one guy, there will be dogtail of him. So if you collect that dogtail, you will get plus 75 XP. So you have to keep in mind, you have to collect the dogtail. Then only in the 40 points you will get 1 point. Okay, so I killed this guy. Now there are dogtails, plus 75 plus 75, and if teammate confirms the kill, you get plus 50. So I got 125 just like that, and you have to keep collecting these dogtails so you get more XP. Yeah, I got plus 75, and if you kill by an operator and use core streaks, you will get more XP. And avoid using Goliath and sentry gun and VTOL. You will get less points for that, because they give 18 points only for a kill, and you can get 100 points for normal kill. That is the point for that. Score streak sometime, and try to get more guys so you can gain more XP and confirm the kill every time. Okay, so this was it for today guys. Thanks for watching my video, and support my channel Rayan Sindol also. The link will be in the description, and these are the ways you can gain more XP. I can tell it once more. You should play domination, hardpoint and kill confirmed, kill by operators and collect the dogtails and capture the hardpoint and kill from the hardpoint, and you have to capture flags in the domination. So these are the points you have to keep in mind to raise XP. So that is it for today guys. Bye. I'll meet you in the next video.